Hello everyone, this is Kinkun IoT. Last video, we have complete setting the AWS EC2 cloud server. In this video, I will tell you how to install the Node-RED on the Amazon Web Service. We have done the steps last video, so now we will begin to set up the Node-RED. When you create the cloud server, now we will use a toy. This is a putty. We use this putty download this toy to connect to your cloud server. So you can open this archer, putty.org, and click this download the putty. You can see which is your use the operation system version, like Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. You can check this and download. And I have already downloaded. You just download the file and install it. It's very easy. So when you complete install the putty, you can open the putty. Just at program file, you can see this putty, and this putty generate. Before we connect to our cloud server, we need to use this key generate, convert the private key download from the Amazon AWS to the files that putty can be used. So we press load. This is EC2 file we have downloaded in last video. We choose these all files because this file is PEM files download. We can press open. This is successfully import, and we choose this RSA and save private key. Press this button and you press yes. Okay, this is EC2 files. You can use this EC2 file .ppk. Press save and we can close the toy. Now the ppk file is created. Okay, now let's begin. Open this putty program. This one. That last time we press this one. Now we press this one to connect to cloud server. These toys you can see the IP address. We can see this instance, and this is public IP. We can copy this IP. Copy. This IP, public IP, will change if you stop the instance and restart the instance. So I suggest you not always to stop your instance. Like this, not to stop. If you stop this instance and start again, the public IP will be changed. So I suggest you can use reboot. If you reboot, the IP, public IP will not change. We can press at this, and the port is 22. And at this SSH, you can see the auth item. You can browse the file. This one is you generate. I will press the open. And now we can press open. Now the window is connected to our cloud server. This is login. Login, you need to use the username. This name is Ubuntu. Copy. And use your mouse right button. Just click is paste this content, Ubuntu, and press enter. Now you can see we have successfully logged into the AWS. Okay, when we log in successfully, we just use these 3 commands. The first one is copy this, because we need to install the Node.js. This is for Node-RED to use. We just paste and enter. Then it will be auto download and install the file. Okay, the first command is finished. Then we copy this one and press Enter. Because I have already do the functions command, so it not update some files. No problem. If you the first time to do this command, you will download some files to update. And the last, copy this for install Node-RED. Okay, this is complete. It's very easy to do these 3 commands. Then you can start the Node-RED. You just do this command, Node-RED, input Node-RED and enter. This you can see an error because the Node-RED I have already running. These 4 commands you can all running on this window. That because when you use this 4 command, you can automatically start whenever your instance is restart. Okay, when we start the Node-RED command, now is running the Node-RED, and you can use this IP and this at this point to test. And before you test, make sure your security group, you need to add this point. Editing. This rows customer TCP 1880 point. This needs to be added. I have already added it because this is Node-RED need to use. So you can see copy this IP, copy, and open a window. So we input this IP and port. You can see the loading of the Node-RED. And some seconds, the Node-RED window will be displayed. So now it's successfully for installed Node-RED. This uses IP to visit the Node-RED. You can also use a domain. Just set a DNS for this IP. So every time you just input the domain and the point to visit the Node-RED. Okay, this is how to install the Node-RED on the AWS EC2. In next video, we will integrate the IoT device to the Node-RED and for internet remote control. Thanks for watching.